Alright, so here is my latest update to the tree spring noose trap. And this trap I've designed specifically to capture and kill raccoons. And I've done this because a raccoon has gotten into my pheasant a few nights ago and killed every last one of them. So this is a little bit of pest control to prevent that from happening again. Alright, so you can see these two little sticks here I use to keep the noose open, which is tied to the pulling line. This pulling line comes down in a similar way to the tree spring noose trap and ties onto a stick here, which is wrapped around our load-bearing stake right here, which I'm using a tire iron because I'm in a rush and don't really want to go digging around in the woods for a suitable stick. Now right here is our trigger stick, which is just a long stick with a nub on it right there that holds onto this trigger here. And that comes out, and right here is where we're going to have the bait. And back here is just a stake that the butt end of this trigger stick pushes up against. Now, around this trap I'm going to build little walls so that the raccoon is forced to go through this noose in order to get to the bait, which will be right on the end of that stick. Alright, now this is what is holding the weight of the trap. This is just a branch that I've dug into the ground, and this is placed there with rocks around it because when digging the hole, all the dirt gets loosened up, and if I were to fill that just back up around this branch, it would not be nearly as solid. So these rocks will now make this a lot more solid than it would be had I just filled back in around it. And at the top here is a little Y which will support the rope and keep the animal from coming free as soon as the trap is sprung. Alright, you can see I am halfway done building up brush on one side of this trap with the ultimate purpose of making it so the animal must reach through that noose in order to get to the bait on the end of that stick. Now I will just work on the other side. And there we go. This trap is set and ready for use.